Hey guys, back at you with another video from the Gaming Kings 4 and 7 here, and today we have another video for you guys. We are back at Venice Beach, California. Today we're going to be shredding. The skateboards today. Yes, is over there. I got mine right here. Alright guys, coming over here to the Venice Beach handball courts. As you guys can see, they are in full effect where people can actually play, which is nice. And they are cleaned up and they look repainted and they look really nice. And as we come over the handball courts right behind, you can see a lot of people have moved just right behind the handball courts. And this footage was extremely hard to get because I was actually flying at the max wind capacity. And off over to the right, where the roller skating pool used to be, there's still a bunch of homeless encampments. And if you go even more to the right, there is a ton more homeless encampments. And far down over here to the right, there was actually a tent and a bunch of homeless people encamped over there, right on the beach. In this clip, you can literally see how windy it was for my drone. It was like swerving left and right, and it just could not keep still. What? What? I guess so, yeah. They are taking pictures still. Literally, this is the homeless encampment right behind the handball courts. It looks pretty bad. The homeless encampment right directly behind the handball courts has been removed. Going down the side, it looks fresh and clean. Venice Beach literally looks as normal. People working out behind Muscle Beach, working out in the grass, just chilling and playing lots of handball now that the handball courts are reopened. Homeless encampments have been removed from Muscle Beach. Muscle Beach is still closed. You cannot use it. The handball courts are not taken over by the homeless encampments anymore. They're available to go play now. And just on the other side, whether it be in the front or the back, there's still a lot of homeless encampments in the sand area right by the handball courts. This guy was literally just screaming in his tent, but sometimes homeless encampments can get crazy. This is what it looks like to actually be inside the handball courts. Pretty clean. If we go behind the handball court, you'll see a bunch more. This is just a better view. And literally, trust me, go all over Venice and you'll see tons of encampments. Whether it be people sleeping on the floor or it be people camping in tents. Hey guys. Are you serious? Are you being serious? Oh, wrong way. 50 more minutes.
Oh, so we can still you stay here. Just stay here and walk around.
Alright, now we're at Santa Monica. I didn't film anything. We were exploring for a while in Santa Monica. And now we're at the beach. Yeah, we have to go on the other side. This last clip was incredibly hard to get because every time I flew my drone, it had an auto landing in 29 seconds. So if I went out super far, it would land wherever it was at, no matter what I did. If you've ever been to Santa Monica, you know that the planes fly right over the beach and land in the distance. So that's why I could not actually fly. And every time I loaded up the app, it would give me a fly restriction warning. So I am taking incredible risk taking this footage here. But in the end, it is definitely worth getting this footage. And then every single time I tried to get a clip, I had to restart the freaking thing. And also on one of the clips, I was landing directly on the freaking pier. It was a lot easier to do it in Venice because it gave me restrictions and warnings. What? Oh yeah. He's basically saying that's why I'm not supposed to be flying it right here. It's air. Yeah, you can. No, you'll just get a fine. That was like extremely difficult. I was in a no-fly zone and I was trying to fly it. That was like extremely difficult. I was in a no-fly zone and I was trying to fly it. Alright guys, that is going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy. From the Gaming Kings 4 and 7. Signing off till next one. Peace.